Hello and welcome to another episode of Pokemon Blue, the Nuzlock. I am the Holy Pablo and we're gonna beat up all the trainers on this ship. We got two Pokemon to train up. And we might be able to make the Lieutenant Surge today. We'll find out. A lot of these trainers either have water types or have fighting types. Like this guy's gonna have water types. Oh. So we're gonna see a lot of tentacles, a lot of... I didn't bring any good Pokemon for this. It'd be nice if I had a Butterfree! Butterfree learns Confusion. But, words are nice. Oh no. Well, I'm faster, so... And this doesn't last for... more turns than that. 10, 3, 14 turns, yeah. I know how math works. Totally. Maybe, just maybe, this will also get Beatrice to level up. Maybe it'll be able to catch up to the rest of the team. I'm not holding my breath though. Level 24 is the cap, and after that I get to train off screen for a really long time. Because we have a bunch of Pokemon that are like level 9 and 12 in the box. And Weasley, you have done your job. Congratulations. You have earned a trip back into your Pokeball. Get out of there. Oh my lord. That was a crit for 6 damage? That's a lot more than Bubble should be taking. How much defense does a Shelter have? The answer is too much. But its special defense is not as impressive. Ay ay ay. Ay 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 ay. Oh wait, I have a thought. 100 base power. If Cinder goes down, we lost that TM. It's a good thing that's not gonna happen. But, since Lieutenant Surge has a bunch of electric types, that's what we're banking on. Ooh, yeah. Because I could have it sit on, like, any Magnemite we run it to. That's doing a lot of damage. Like, a lot of damage. Punch it in the face. Yeah. Is Mega Punch not that strong in Generation 1? It should be like 80 power, and I'm not dealing a lot of damage. Well, I don't feel like I'm doing a lot of damage. Queenie, what's your attack stat? You've got good attack, 41. Oh wow, you are... Well... You are also lower level than, Sprout. And... It has a surprisingly high attack stat. Oh, there it is. Hyper Potion. That's money. Also, I just realized I didn't beat up the rest of the trainers on Route 11. And I know that there's a few with electric Pokemon. Just give it a try, because Thunderbolt does not have a lot of attack. And maybe a base 100 move will do a significant chunk of damage. You can let go now. Anytime now. Noted. So we can let,
Door.
We can let Sander sit on the Tentacool because they don't got water moves. They don't got water moves. They don't have any water moves yet. Alright, we already lost Pigeon. We're not losing another one right now. Give me water. Remember, kids, stay hydrated. Ay, ay, ay. There we go. Easy. This is what I bought all these potions for. Do I have any regular potions? Cause... Nope. TM44, that's... Rest. Very good move, but, this Generation 1, so not as good as it usually is. Sander, no. No. Get out of there. Weasley, you must prove your worth. Inglorious come. Oh, that was a crit. Why don't I go for... Let's go for this. Let's just only attack twice. It'll be fine. Ow. I should probably look into if speed reduction is gonna... It shouldn't. critical hit is based off of your base speed stat. So it shouldn't be affected by stat adjustments. Oh my. This horsey is going to be the death of Weasley. There's another one. I might have to make the executive decision to go back to the shop and pick up some potions, some regular potions while I'm at it. Although, I don't know how much money I have, because Pokemon does not give you a lot of money. Well, RBY doesn't give you a lot of money. Let's see here. Oh, 500. That's a pretty chunk of change. What, 25? Yeah. Hopefully we find some other Tentacool. I don't know what they say about sailors and fighting. For how common Tentacool is going to become, it is amazing how many sailors don't have Tentacool. Let's see here. They're all on open ocean water. Don't. No! Since you don't have any water moves yet. Pretty sure you don't have any water moves. Did like nothing. Stop using withdrawal! Sprout is getting really close to the level cap. Is that gonna be a problem? Not any potion of the amazing variety. I want Sprout for Lieutenant Surge because Grass is resistant to electric. It'd be really helpful to have. But that's gonna be really tricky when every trainer has a bunch of water types. Well, I did go to the basement, which is Sailors galore. Did 10 damage? Okay, so my crit threshold is like 24 hit points. But not against this. I did a third damage? Oh no, it's just gonna spam. Oh no. Come on, just... Thank you. Oh, that was a crit. Sandra can sit on this, so... But not if I get confused. Well... Okay, it's gonna burn turns. And it's not gonna get 11 wraps off. Surely. Does this count towards the confusion turns? It does not. Alright, well, at least I can justify using a potion on it now. Stop it! So, anyway, before I forget, apparently there's, I was thinking of getting a model made, because I have artwork, I might as well. But apparently there's VTuber models, and then there's PNG models. 29. I already beat you up. So that would be nice to get. I know I'm not exactly big, but my buddy Machoke is super strong. He has enough strength to move big rocks. Good for him. I can also move big rocks. Wait. 14, okay. You've got a bunch of Growlithes, don't you? Or a bunch of fire types? Ones that don't have access to Ember, right? They have Ember. That's not good. Although, he only did 18 damage. I missed! I missed! Abort mission. Alright. Problem solved. Just drown the world. Lovely. It also has Ember, so. Oh wait, no, this is. I was looking up Vulpix. And I'm pretty sure Vulpix has more special attack than. Or more special rather than Growly. Oh, no it doesn't. No. Be nice to friends? I always am. Since I'm pushing my luck with Sanders, I might as well keep him topped off. You've got a... Pikachu's, don't you? Oh, Nidorans. Oh, thank goodness. I resist poison and is a physical attacker. Against a Pokemon with like 70 defense. It's not gonna hurt us. What? It survived. Base 100 attack. Oh, Nidoran's definitely gonna survive. Female is more bulky than the males. I don't make the rules, I make the rules. Hooray! I guess we're getting to a point where we don't have to switch train as much. Wait. You would like one cherry pie? No. I can't imagine eating a whole pie by myself. You collected these Pokemon from all around the world. What? Don't you mean just the Kanto region? That's not as much damage as I was hoping to do. But I can take another 2 attacks? A hit and a crit? No, don't do it. Don't use Sand Attack. Bad pitching. I can't take another hit. Nope, 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 nope. Weasley, take care of this. I think Weasley's usefulness is going to run out very soon. Ooh, no, 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 no. I did not expect to take that much damage. And if I was crit, that would have been bad. Like Robin Hood from Shrek bad. Okay, Weasley. Do that again, but with a critical hit. That's not a critical hit. And that wasn't 5 attacks. Come on, Weasley. You've got to be the hero that we need. I don't think Weasley's going to be the hero that we need. One more for the gold. It doesn't even have a bad attack. It's just got bad moves. I'm going to the Pokemon Center. I'll be right back.
Door.
I mean, I might as well buy some while I'm here. It was as if I was never gone. I did also buy some potions. Because... well, we've got quite a few more trainers to fight. I don't think we make it to Surge today, but I will record that because waking up super early before work to record and edit is, it was a decision I was not prepared for. Okay, how much? That Nidoran did 14 damage with a horn attack. Nidorans are monsters. Oh, body slap. What? Diglett and Dugtrio can learn Body Slam. I don't know what to say to that. Like, I can understand, you know, some Pokemon, like Hypno, learning it. But Diglett was not on my 2025 bingo list. Where's the Great Ball? My backpack is full. I know I said I was going to hold on to it. I'm not going to. It's a very powerful 65 power move until we get Surf. Then that's all we're going to need. Never run out of moves with Surf. I can't imagine what it'd be like to run a ship. Every port we go to, we're going to have a party. It's going to be just a bunch of people fighting with their animals. I don't think you're ready for that. Machop is pretty strong and pretty bulky. It's got like 80 attack and strength and defense. I know this because I had to make. I'm converting Pokemon into. I'm converting Pokemon into D&D using Mystery Dungeon as a base. And it took an obscene amount of time just to get through generations 1 and 2. Alright, go sit on this tentacle. Don't hit yourself in confusion. I said, don't hit yourself in confusion. No. 85% accuracy. I can KO myself from here, so I'm not gonna push it. What else was out? It's... Oh wow, it's getting close for me to call it on this episode. How time flies when you're having fun. If you guys like this episode and you want to see more, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, I will see you all later. Bye!